This is more than just a horseback ride today in Rock Creek Park. With many military veterans coming back injured, horses are being used for rehabilitation.
I know that when I leave here, I'm in a better mood.
Kathy Davis is an Army veteran.
Don't do hoofs.
Well, I was wondering.
She was injured while serving at a military base in Germany. Now Kathy is trying to piece her life back together, and she has turned exclusively to therapeutic horseback riding for her treatment.
She was doing all kinds of things. She was like acting and as a stand-in for movies, riding her motorcycle with the chapter.
With her son Chris and several volunteers from the community and the United States Park Police helping, Kathy rides the horse Molly most Tuesdays.
Are we ready with Molly? Okay, let's go. Beautiful!
Nikki Beveridge is the lead certified therapeutic riding instructor.
And Kathy used to sway 45-degree angle to one side and flip to the other side. She had no balance control on her horse at all.
In an accident that has very little details to what happened, after invasive surgeries, what is known is that Kathy had bleeding on her brainstem. The result was that she lost all feeling on her right side and has trouble walking. After a brain injury like the one Kathy sustained, it is difficult to take in information and process directions. And because she has lost feeling on her right side, it's extremely hard to engage the muscles.
Remember your serpentine of 3 loops?
I do not do other therapy work, so I count on this place to help me with the things that I have trouble with.
With the U.S. Park Police volunteering with their time to walk along with Kathy, occupational therapist Tracy Ellis trails behind and calls out instructions to Kathy, which she processes.
Okay, grab with both thighs and use your breastbone to keep your stability, okay? The horse is changing, so the base of stability is constantly changing, and so you're actually getting much more of a workout than just going to a normal clinic.
Kathy's partner in the therapy is Molly, a chestnut mare who specializes in working with vets and disabled children.
She keeps Kathy on top of her. She'll actually shift her weight and her body to stay underneath Kathy.
Humans domesticated horses thousands of years ago, and they have served humankind ever since. Horses are herd animals and are able to form bonds between human and horse. And because they are herd animals, they look to others to take the lead. Because of their psychology, horses are suited for lots of work, including entertainment, farm work, but also therapy, which Molly specializes in.
Molly is very patient now with me, and she can predict what I am going to do, and she makes sure that, where I go wrong, she makes up for it. So she helps me.
Horses react as a mirror to the person, like Kathy, who is with them. They are prey animals, so they want to feel safe and are very sensitive. If Kathy makes requests rather than demands, Molly will cooperate. Horses are always looking for a leader. Dealing with Molly in the right way, Kathy becomes the natural leader of Molly, giving Kathy confidence and control.
Very empowering for a rider, particularly a rider with a disability, to realize that they can be that leader and they can be there for their horse.
The term therapeutic riding originally was used in Germany. Equine therapy is now practiced in most countries in the world. Originally used to help people recover from traumatic injuries, it has become widely used as a therapeutic tool for the physically handicapped, and there are many physiological and psychological benefits documented, including lowered blood pressure and heart rate, decreased stress levels, and increased feelings of empowerment, trust, and self-esteem.
After her surgery, she wasn't able to really write, and since she's been doing the therapy, her balance is taken over, and she's dealing with when she's holding the reins, I guess, her hands are able to be more sturdy, so she's able to have a little more control in her hands. She can write when after the surgery she wasn't able to do anything.
Beautiful.
Not only is Kathy able to write now, she's also going out with her husband on the back of his motorcycle. And her instructors, family, and friends are able to see the reduced swaying and more confidence in Kathy.
So good. Good job.
It kind of gives you a sense of control, you know, that it's up to you to dictate where you're going to go and what you're going to do. But the horse does the work.
So you bribe
You're a
Molly.
good girl.
No.
Are you bribing her?
No, she just knows.
Giving a little treat to thank Molly for a good day of riding. More than anything, Kathy is happy after each ride. And she feels like she is taking control of her life again. And her instructor, Nikki, sees the changes that are trickling into Kathy's life.
Puts Kathy back in a driving seat, and it's put her back in control, and it's allowing her to feel that she can be a mother to her children again.
Kathy will be back next Tuesday for her ride with Molly.